Most cruise packing guides will tell you to bring sunscreen and a power strip. Here's what they do not tell you. The three things almost every first-timer fails to pack that cost them real money or real comfort on the ship. And the three things they pack that they never open. After more cruises than I can count, here is the honest packing list. I am Mark from Adventures by K&M. Planning Thursday. Filming this week from Walt Disney World. At the end, I'm going to tell you the one item that is not on any packing guide I have seen, that Kim and I carry on every single sailing and would not leave home without.
Good on your face, smiles ear to ear. Your best trip yet is waiting right here. Sun on your face, smiles.
Number 1, a power strip without a surge protector. Most cruise cabins have 2 to 3 outlets all in one location near the desk. A family of 4 cannot charge simultaneously. Bring a power strip. Note, surge protectors are banned on most ships due to fire risk. Bring a strip without surge protection. A multi-port USB hub is always safe. Number 2, a portable battery pack. Your phone works hard on a cruise. Navigation in port, photos, the app, communication. Dead battery at 2 p.m. in Cozumel makes your day significantly harder. A 10,000 milliamp pack costs about $20 and changes how you travel in port. Number 3, a travel size fan. Cruise ship cabin temperature control varies significantly between ships and even between cabins. A small USB-powered fan for sleeping costs almost nothing and has saved more than one night of sleep on trips Kim and I have taken. If any one of those 3 items was not on your packing list, hit the like button right now. Helps other first-time cruisers find this before they board. 3 things first-timers overpack. Number 1, formal wear beyond what the itinerary requires. One formal night means one formal outfit. Check the dress code for your specific line before packing anything formal. Number 2, full-size toiletries. Cruise ship bathrooms are small. The ship provides shampoo and body wash in most cabins. Travel sizes handle a 7-night sailing comfortably. Number 3, shoes for every occasion. Kim and I have a 2-pair rule for Caribbean sailings. Comfortable walking shoes for ports, nice casual shoes for dinners. The number of shoes people pack versus the number they wear is one of the great disconnects in cruise packing. Formal night, the real guide. Men, blazer, dress shirt, dress pants. No tuxedo required. Linen blazers pack well and work in Caribbean heat. Women, a cocktail dress or dressy separates. One formal appropriate outfit is sufficient. Items most people miss. Over-the-door shoe organizer. The single most useful space-saving tool in a cruise cabin. Hang it on the bathroom door. Holds sunscreen, chargers, medication, room cards, and everything else that otherwise gets lost in a drawer. Lanyard for your room key. You carry it everywhere, every day. Eliminates the lost card problem permanently. Reusable water bottle. Free water is available at any quick service location on the ship. Most first-time passengers buy bottled water the whole trip instead. Before we wrap, and I read every single answer, what is the one thing you always pack for a cruise that most people would never think of? Share your secret in the comments. Someone reading this will thank you. We always bring a magnet kit on board. This kit includes button magnets, magnetic loops, and hooks. Travel magnets. These all function well as stateroom walls, and most doors are metal and they are highly useful. They will do everything from holding hats, paper schedules and tickets, charging cables, and many other uses. If you want practical systems like this, not the brochure version, the version from actually doing this 40 times, subscribe to Adventures by K&M and hit the bell. Planning Thursday every week. The information you need before you leave home. If you want a packing list built for your specific itinerary and activities, free 15-minute consultation. Link in the description. We are at Walt Disney World right now filming everything in real time. New content dropping all week straight from inside the parks. Hit the bell and follow along. See you tomorrow.